Got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a really easy soft makeup look, which I'm actually obsessed with. It was so easy to do, and I think it will look amazing on everyone. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I did this, and also I'll be doing a giveaway with the palette I'm using today. So to prime my eyelids, I'm gonna use my all-time favorite eyeshadow primer, which is the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I've been using it for years now and I just really love it. I have a special video where I go really in depth on how I apply it and why I really love this one. I will put it down in the description bar. But I'm applying this all over the eyelid using a Sigma Beauty P84 brush until I find it looks nicely covered. So I'll be using this gorgeous watermelon palette by Sugar Rush, and I have a special giveaway, and I will put all the rules in the description bar, so if you want to join, make sure you read the description bar, because I want to give one of you this palette which I'm using today. So I'm gonna start with this color, which is called Just Ripe. This is a really light color, so I wasn't really sure if it was going to show up in my crease, but it actually did. I thought it would be a little bit lighter, but you can definitely see it in my crease, which is nice. So I'm gonna use this as my transition shade, and I'm just gonna blend this all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. I'm not really sure how to describe this color, but I think it's like a really warm, peachy, soft shade, which I think is so beautiful. And since I have like a little bit of blue-green eyes, I think it kind of makes the eye color pop out. So now I'm taking this really light color and I'm gonna apply a little bit of that in the inner corner area just to brighten up that area. And I'm just taking my MAC 242 brush to apply this, which is one of my favorite brushes for applying eyeshadows on the eyelid. And I know I've talked about this before, but the video where I discuss all my favorite brushes, it's coming real soon. So now I'm taking this other color, which I'm gonna apply at the middle part of my eyelid, which is really beautiful. I do feel like using your finger might give it a little bit more color payoff, so you might as well skip it, skip using a brush and you go directly in with your finger and just do what works best for you. But I think it's a really beautiful color. It has like a really soft golden tone to it, which I think is really pretty. And I applied it, of course, at both sides of my eyes. Then I'm taking a black pencil from Urban Decay. I will put the name in the description bar, and I'm just creating a really simple line above the lash line. Nothing's like too precise because I'm gonna smudge it out anyway, so it didn't have to be perfect. So I'm taking the color Juicy, and I'm gonna use a smudge brush from Sigma Beauty, and I'm just gonna like blend my brush back and forth until I find like that the line isn't looking harsh anymore and that it looks like really smudged out and blended out. I think this is such an easy trick for if you have hooded eyes and you don't really want to go for eyeliner, but yet you want to have some darkness around the lash line. This is really easy to do, and I just find that it always gives that really subtle, sexy vibe to an eye look. I absolutely love it. And even though like on a regular base I'm always forgetting about this, I always go for eyeliner, but sometimes I feel like a smudged eyeliner look looks even better. So I definitely have to remind myself that I should do this because I think it's so pretty. Let me know, what do you guys do? Do you wear eyeliner more often, like just like a really neat eyeliner? Or do you go for more like a smoked out eyeliner like I'm doing in this video? Let me know. I always just go for a winged line. I'm just kind of boring, I guess. But let me know what you guys do. So now I'm gonna take this roller liner from Benefit, which is, I think, one of the best eyeliners out there. It's so intensely black. I absolutely love it. Sometimes I go in with jaw eyeliner and then I go in with a liquid liner on top of it to make it extra intense. But I feel like with this liner from Benefit, I don't even have to do that because it's already so black. And for today's look, I want to create like a really tiny winged liner. It's something that I'm currently doing also on a regular basis when I'm not filming. I try to do like a really tiny winged liner every time, and I just feel like it suits my eye shape so well. I feel like ever since I started doing this, I'm liking my makeup a bit more, and I think it's the winged liner, I don't know. Now, if you have hooded eyes or you simply don't like to use eyeliner, of course you can skip this part. part. You can skip this part and you can just only go for like the smudged eyeliner. You don't necessarily have to do this, but I personally really liked how it looks. Then now for underneath the lower lash line, I'm taking the color called 2 Scoops with a flat definer brush from Sigma Beauty, and I'm gonna softly press and blend this underneath the lower lash line. Since I went for a super black eyeliner, I wanted to use something which is quite dark underneath the lower lash line as well. So this way the lower lash line and the winged liner kind of comes together. I just feel like it looks a bit better than if I would like use super light colors underneath the lower lash line. Then now to blend it out, I'm gonna use a different color, and this one is called Just Ripe. And I'm gonna mix it a little bit with this little, what is it? It's like a brownish, really soft kind of color. So I just blended those 2 shades together, and I'm just gonna blend this all the way underneath the lower lash line. Now for the inner corner of my eye, I'm going back in with the color Just Chillin'. I know I used this before for this area as well, but I felt like since I used foundation, it wasn't really showing up anymore, so I just decided to add a little bit extra. And then for my waterline, I'm gonna use this pencil from Urban Decay, which is in the color Lucky, which is one of my favorite pencils for the waterline. I think it's so beautiful and it really makes my eye color pop out. And then for my mascara, I'm taking my current favorite mascara, which is the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. I'm gonna use this for the upper lashes and for the bottom lashes. And I know I say this in almost every video, but I just really love this mascara. It makes my lower lashes super long. Then now for my fake lashes, I'm gonna use some lashes from House of Lashes, which are super beautiful. And these are actually quite natural, but I feel like even though they're quite natural, you can still see them when you're wearing them, but not in a like too dramatic way. I think they're super beautiful, and I'm applying them with some tweezers. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you all enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to join the giveaway. All the information is down in the description bar. And I just want to say thank you for all the love and support you guys are giving me every time. Every time I upload a video, I go through the comments and you guys are so freaking sweet. And I feel like there's such a positive vibe on my YouTube channel. And it's always like my happy place. I feel like you guys are so supportive. I just want you to know that it truly means a lot to me. Also, in one of my previous videos, someone was saying that every time she feels a little bit depressed, she goes watching my videos and it makes her feel more happy. And that honestly makes my day. I just find it so amazing that I can cheer people up by just doing what I love. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And I really hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys!
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. Started saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now.